What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today because we just got to go over these technicals. I know they're looking crazy. We're on the downside pretty much, and a lot of people are getting scared in the Baby Doge army. So we got to talk about this. Definitely hit that like button, subscribe though. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member, definitely become a member of the channel, and I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators that pretty much indicated that Baby Doge was going to be going down, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. You can get these automated trading indicators here on TradingView. And also, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but let's go straight over Baby Doge though. So this is looking crazy right now. I know a lot of people are getting scared off the bearish movement here. A lot of people are really scared from the bearish movements. But look, we've been predicting this for the longest time. I've been talking about the 2.8 support. And look, we broke the 2.8 support. I've been talking about the 2.4 support for a while as well, because we already very briefly hit the 2.6 over here. So all the way down here, we hit around 2.625 support down here. So that pretty much indicated way back here the 24th of February, pretty much indicated that eventually we were going to hit the 24 support, the 2.4 support. That's 8Z24. And we're finally almost there. Look, right now we're at the 2.783 area. So eventually we're going to hit the 2.4 support. So just prepare for it. It's going to come eventually. Like I said, this is just inevitable. But that could be the bottom for Baby Doge. And notice how I said it could be the bottom, because remember, the complete bottom for Baby Doge is 1.4. But the bottom for the temporary or the short term could be 2.4. But like I said, 1.4 could be the complete bottom. Now look, I would say this: if you are down in Baby Doge, you have to stay motivated. You cannot just FUD out, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You cannot just sell out. I mean, you can if you want. Go ahead and do it, but do not complain when we are down, because every crypto does this. You just have to think about it. Like, if you're down a lot with Baby Doge, the best thing to do is to buy the dips. If you have no more money to buy the dip, the best thing to do is just leave it in your wallet and don't even look at it. Or if you can't stomach the pain, just take it out and do whatever you want with the money. But I will say this: Baby Doge still has potential. It's still one of the top trending cryptos all over the internet, literally top 20 right now on CoinGecko for trending coins. We were like number one the other day, but now we are top 20. But still, Baby Doge is always staying on top. Baby Doge is always taking over inside the crypto space. So I'm really bullish here with Baby Doge still. But like I said, the 2.4 support is inevitable. We know it's going to come. But if you want to wait till the 2.4 support, that's definitely a good area to buy Baby Doge. Even right now is a good area to buy Baby Doge. We're still cheap and undervalued. So I'm buying it progressively. I bought some Baby Doge around here at 2.8. And really it was around 2.9, more so 2.9 than 2.8. But still, I bought Baby Doge around there. It was like $1,400 worth. And now as Baby Doge goes down, 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 and down, I get paid again next week. So what I'm going to do pretty much is buy again. If we're at 2.4 by then, I'll end up buying like another $1,000 worth of Baby Doge. And I'm going to keep doing this till I have 2 trillion plus. I already have like 1 trillion and some more and some change just chilling inside Baby Doge. So I'm really happy with what we're seeing right now inside these dips, because this is just a buying opportunity for the people. So I know a lot of people are getting scared, but you can't be scared here. But anyways, look, all these red areas are pretty much red areas of less demand. This whole area shows that there's less demand for Baby Doge. So we're not just going to randomly start pumping inside the crypto market, or I mean inside Baby Doge, unless the crypto market starts pumping. If we start seeing gains coming back in the crypto market, then we could see Baby Doge jumping. And you can see as it is starting to slowly but surely form up here, all these little small percentages within the last hours and all the other time frames. So we may actually see Baby Doge jump. And if you want to know why XRP just now jumped huge, definitely check out my last video. It was some good news on the lawsuit and some good technicals forming up with that as well. So check out my previous video if you want to know about XRP. But like I said, let me know whatever coins you want me to go over. But yeah, anyways, let's get back to Baby Doge. Like I was saying earlier, it's inevitable that we hit this 2.4 support. You just got to be ready. You got to stay diligent. You got to know exactly where you want to get in at. So for me personally, I'm going to be buying Baby Doge again around 2.4. So like I said, just wait for the 2.4 support. That is going to be good support for us. The very bottom being 1.4. So we're not even safe if we hit 2.4. But it will indicate a huge jump. And like I said, the whole overall crypto market, if it starts going up, you will see Baby Doge and validate the 2.4 thesis, and then eventually go up back up to 3.2. But if we get rejected at 3.2 again, because look, we do have less demand. You can see this red area here shows less demand for Baby Doge around 3.2. So if we go up there to 3.2, then eventually, like if we can't break 3.2 resistance, then we'll pull back and go back down to 2.4. So that's probably what we'll see with Baby Doge coming in inside the near future. Now, moving on from that, you could also look at it from this perspective and look at our previous supports for Baby Doge and our previous resistance, and just kind of comparing how it's looking till now. So kind of going back here, let's click the auto. So I just wanted to show this. So these two channels here, they're bull flags. So I was showing how these are bull flags and how after the bull flags, you just end up seeing a bullish run coming right after it. So previously we bottomed out at 1.4 at the bull flag. Let me take off these trading indicators so it looks a little bit more neat. So the last time we took off with Baby Doge, we were at that bull flag of 1.4. 1.4 is the complete bottom for Baby Doge. Even back here in October, we landed there at the bottom of that 1.4 support, and then we ended up taking off right after that after we hit it a third time. So we also had a lot of resistance at 1.4. So 1.4 is a very significant area for Baby Doge. You can even see right here, support 1.4. It did not want to go below 1.4 at all, and it had that bull flag that formed up. And now look, we're about to hit this 2.4 area right now. So it's not always going to be like us going back down to the complete bottom. After every single pump, we always just end up a channel above. So what I mean by this, look, the previous pump here had Baby Doge way down, maybe around the 6 area. It was 9Z6. That was low. That was the bottom for Baby Doge. But after that initial pump, the bottom then became 1.4 because it was our resistance. So our resistance became our support. So that 1.4 resistance then became our support. And then the next area of resistance is right over here, which is the 2.4 resistance, which is this right here. So anyways, the 2.4 being our resistance is now our new support, which could be acting as our new bottom, the complete bottom being 1.4, but the more probable area for us to hit and land at is 2.4. So I'm going to go over that again because I know I wasn't drawing on the thing when I was showing it. So right here, this is that area for our bottom support. That was the very bottom. And then we had resistance here around the 1.4 area. And after we broke out the 1.4 area, we had huge resistance here at 2.4. So then our resistance then becomes our support for the next bull flag. So when you look over here and you look at the next bull flag for Baby Doge, well, the previous one, 2.4, or I mean the 1.4 support, which was our resistance previously inside October, then became our support. Then after we started the pump, the 2.4 was our huge resistance. We broke it. We went on that bull flag. We went bullish, had huge gains, and then remember our previous resistance, which then becomes our support. And then when you look over here, previous resistance becoming the support. So 2.4, you're going to see Baby Doge land down there. That is not the complete bottom. The complete bottom being 1.4 if we just have, for some reason, some really bearish movements in Baby Doge. But according to the bull flag, 2.4 is the area that we should see a pump when we land there. So when we land on 2.4, we'll probably stay there for about a good week, something like that. That's literally how it was over there, and it's literally how it was over here. We stayed at our supports for about a week. So usually that's what happens. So we may stay at 2.4 for a week. If we continue to go down here, we'll stay there for about a good week. And then right out of here, out of the bull flag, going into April, we should see a nice pump for Baby Doge. And if you think about it, look back at Dogecoin, Doge Day 420, all that good stuff. Like, we had the biggest pump ever in April. So that was one of the biggest crypto altcoin seasons. So literally April could be the altcoin season, and it's literally right here, right at the end of the bull flag. So we may see a pump coming very soon for Baby Doge. I know it may sound like a broken record, but I'm really confident on this. But remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, let's get off the technicals for a little bit. I know I went heavy on these technicals, but I just wanted to show you all. And actually, before we keep going, remember this is the long-term 4-hour chart, so we're showing long-term growth for Baby Doge. We just now broke this area right here, showing that we have now broken our support of 2.8. Now it leads us down here to this more demand area. There's less demand in this whole channel here, so Baby Doge will not be getting back up there until it hits that 2.4 support and builds that momentum to break out of the bull flag. So that's what we could see coming up here inside Baby Doge. Now that we got that all broken down, let's just look over a few stuff before we end the video. A few stuff to keep the holders motivated. 1,458,112 Baby Doge wallets out there. That's a lot out there. That's really a lot. So we're gonna continue to grow. We're almost at 1.5 million holders. big stuff going on there. Over here, 1.45K new holders today, 7.87 trillion Baby Doge burned today. All that Baby Doge burned. And you got to see there is some selling in Baby Doge. Like I said, there's more selling going on than buying. So you got to be wary of that. But the whales are not selling huge. They are not. They know that we're nearing the bottom, and they're playing it smart because they know from here to the bottom, it's hardly 10%. I don't even think it's 10% from here to 2.4. So they know they can't make profits because 2.4 is pretty much where we're going to bottom out. 1.4 being the complete bottom if for some reason we were just completely bearish and then we just kind of sold all out. But right now, 2.4 is looking like some very good support, and the whales are seeing this. They're like, no, we're not selling out because that's a 10% fee that we lose, and it's not going to go down more than 10%, and they see that. Or it may be like barely borderline touching 10%, so it's like pointless to sell right now. That's how they're looking at it. That's how I'm looking at it. Like, if you try to sell right now and buy back in around 2.4, you are not making profit anything. Like, you're not making profit. It's just going to be a headache for you. So you might as well just kind of wait and just wait it out, see how it goes, see how it plays. But anyways, as we do slowly but surely trickle down there, you're probably going to start seeing more whales buying in when we get around 2.4, maybe even 2.5, because we do have more demand in that 2.5, 2.4 area. So we could see more whales buying in. But anyways, this is all good news for Baby Doge. Big shout out to the whole Baby Doge army. Like, literally, we're going to start going crazy soon. So get prepared. April is going to be pretty nice for us. And if you want to look at some liquidity, we got 25.95 trillion Baby Doge added to our liquidity today from the transactions and stuff. And as you can see, PancakeSwap 25.95 trillion, and the burn wallet 7.87 trillion added to that, 14.23 trillion added to the contract for Baby Doge. And yeah, MXC is at 9.22 trillion or 9.92 trillion sold. So right now we're doing pretty good inside Baby Doge. We just gotta continue to hold. But look, humpback change. Humpbacks are pretty much the biggest whales in Baby Doge. They only sold about 2.45.98 million all together within the last 24 hours. Let me say that again. The biggest Baby Doge wallets all together only sold about $245.98 million, or $245.98 million Baby Doge is what they sold in the last 24 hours when you put them together collectively. That means between their purchases and their buys, it averages out to only 245 million lost in Baby Doge. That is nothing compared to what the retail people are selling. Like, when you look at the Baby Doge contract, the transfers, you're seeing most of the people that are selling are not these major big time whales. They're not doing it. They're just not doing it. They see the potential here in Baby Doge, but you're seeing the smaller traders just selling out because they're seeing that it's down. And actually, I'm looking at my views too. I'm seeing a lot of people are watching way less Baby Doge videos. A lot of people are losing faith. But see, the whales are not. The whales are smart. They're not going to do that because they know the bottom is when you want to get in. And when you've been in crypto for as long as they have, for as long as I have, you know this is not the time to get out. The time to get out would have been at the peak. Like, and even at that, yeah, you would have made some nice profit if you would have got out at the peak and then bought in at the bottom. But you never know what the crypto market's going to do next. That's why I stayed in. I did sell some of my Baby Doge like nearly like right around here, not even at the peak. It was more so like the 4.3 area, 4.0. I had like 2.6 trillion, but it was all off of a loan that I took out. So I ended up paying the loan off with my original investment and then taking the profits, putting it back in Baby Doge, and then adding paycheck after paycheck after paycheck into Baby Doge. So that's pretty much what I did. So that was a good strategy for me. But right now is not the time to get out. Like, if you wanted to get out of Baby Doge, you missed your opportunity. You definitely want to wait now. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And right now is not a good time to sell, though. In my personal opinion, it's not a good time to sell. But anyways, we're gonna do some more stuff with Baby Doge. Big shout out to all the supporters out there. I want to go over one more thing with Baby Doge. So remember, Baby Doge Wallet, NFT Collection, virtual and physical debit cards, Baby Doge Exchange, Baby Doge Arcade, and Baby Doge NFT Marketplace. All those should be coming out once we start the pump. They're not going to release this stuff when we're down. So like I said, April last year, that was when our altcoin season started. That's when our altcoin season went crazy. Doge Day 420, Dogecoin was going crazy. Shiba Inu was going crazy. Millionaires were made. Billionaires were made. All that good stuff. April may be the time of crypto. And I'm kind of bummed because I had so much money in my crypto account, but then I kind of took it out and put it in the stock market. And I hate transferring funds back and forth. but it's a pretty good amount. So I'm not taking it out anytime soon. I'm just gonna keep trading stocks, and I'm probably gonna make some stock market videos. So definitely let me know what kind of stock market videos you all want, because I'll definitely go over those for you all, because I will be doing day trades. And I only made like $100 yesterday, but still, I'm going to be doing some day trades for the stock market and let you all in on what I'm doing. And I'll probably do some live streams for the stocks. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for today. And to bestow some motivation inside the Baby Doge army. Look at this Baby Doge army inside of Shopify, literally through down payments. And I know this already happened on the 8th, but still, this is something that you want to look at, because this is huge. Literally, it's a payment gateway now. That's a real world use case for Baby Doge. So this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to go over this all for you all. And remember, this is not the best time to sell. This is actually one of the best times to buy. And really, the best time to buy is when it gets around 2.5, 2.4. If you look over here on the oscillator, you can see there is selling volume, indicating that we may continue to drop. But we'll probably end up stopping around here, like kind of close to where we are, and then going back on an uptrend before we get rejected. If we get rejected, we should get rejected though, because it's just the way the crypto market is moving. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got. Hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join. I'll go over any crypto or stock that you want me to go over. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.